Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make learning English fun and exciting. Today's topic is slang words in American and British English. These words and phrases are what make a language truly alive and expressive. From describing something awesome as lit to calling someone cheeky. Slang adds flavor to everyday conversations. So, are you ready to sound more like a native speaker? So, let's start with some slang words you will hear across the pond in the UK. Then, we will jump over to the USA for their equivalents. Trust me, dear friends, you will want to use all of these in your next conversations. First, let's visit Britain. Imagine yourself sipping a tea using these words to sound like a true Brit. Number 1. Cheeky. The meaning is playfully disrespectful or bold. For example, he took a cheeky slice of cake before dinner. Equivalent in the US, they would just say sneaky. Number 2. Knackered, meaning completely exhausted. Example, after work, I absolutely knackered. American's version, I am wiped out or just tired. Number 3, gobsmacked, meaning amazed or shocked. Example, I was gobsmacked when I saw the surprise party. In the US, they would just say blown away. Number 4, block, meaning a guy or a man. Example, that block down the street is really friendly. Americans, they would just say guy. Number 5, doggy, meaning suspicious or untrustworthy. Example, that car looks doggy, I wouldn't buy it. US, they would call it sketchy, right? Alright, now it's time to fly over to the United States. Here is how Americans keep it casual and cool with their slang. Number 1, lit, meaning amazing, exciting or fun. Example, the party last night was lit. British equivalent, they would probably say brilliant. Number 2, hangry, meaning hungry or angry at the same time. Example, I am so hungry, I need food just now. For Brits, they might just say peckish or moody. Number 3, slay, meaning to do something really well or look amazing. For example, you totally slayed in that outfit today. British version, maybe smashed it. Number 4, ghosted, meaning ignoring someone completely, especially in texting. Example, I think they ghosted me after our first date. In the UK, they would also say ghosted. This one is universal, right? Number 5, chill, meaning relaxed or easygoing. Example, he is so chill, nothing ever bothers him, right? For British equivalent, perhaps laid back. Now that you have learned some of these cool slang from both sides of the Atlantic, let me test your knowledge with a quick quiz. Number 1, if someone is knackered, what are they? Tell me the answer. The answer is exhausted. Number 2, what does lit mean in American slang? The answer is amazing. Number 3, if something is doggy, is it trustworthy or suspicious? What is the answer? The answer is suspicious. How did you do? Let me know in the comments below. Learning slang is not just fun, dear friends. It's a great way to connect with native speakers and understand their culture better. So whether you're feeling gobsmacked or having a lit day, keep practicing and exploring the amazing world of English. If you enjoyed this particular video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, near and dear ones. Until next time, stay cheeky and keep slaying your English goals. See you in the next video.